All right? This is every Sunday after church. We just got home from eating at Shoney's breakfast buffet. Google it, it's good shit. Dad is in the recliner, okay? Football game is on, right? Belly's full, he's happy. You know, he always gets this one eye going first. Yeah, you'll see him try to fight it off. And you forget about him, you know. It's quiet. Everybody's just watching the game. And out of nowhere, when you least expect it to, man. If you're in that room with a full drink in your hand, you're wearing that son of a bitch. Shit! He'll do that for a little while. And then he'll get stuck. You ever seen that move? They get stuck.